So, Maanendra, tell me one thing. Which are the industry you are focusing on, and which kind of organization you will be happy to help them for the recruitment space for the mid-level and the senior level?
Okay. Uh, okay. So we majorly focus on three, prime industries. First is pharmaceutical manufacturing, which consists of pharma, generic drug or special drug companies, and then biotechnology companies and medical device and instruments, and also diagnostic companies. We focus on these kind of organizations. So it varies from a very small company to a very large firm. So we cater to all of them as and when the need is there. And we also focus on FMCG, which is fast moving consumer goods, which consist of skincare, personal care, hair care, cosmetic, beauty, food, food companies, food processing, packaged food, unpackaged food, and home care, which is cleaning products. So yeah, so we cater to that. And apart from that, software, IT, and internet, which consists of any SaaS product or software products or services, and internet companies like e-commerce, like from Blinkit to Mintra, to fashion industry, or maybe Nykaa, which is into beauty e-commerce. So we majorly focus on that. Yeah, in terms of industry that you were asking.
So, what is my understanding? You are covering broadly into the FMCG as well as the pharma as well as the software and IT
That's correct.
industry.
That's correct. Yeah.
So, tell me one thing. What are the major challenges you are facing to recruit any senior people, and what are the skill level you are looking at that particular candidate, and how that particular candidate will be meet the expectation of your client? How you manage this, and how you do a analysis of it to execute this kind of position for your
Yeah,
organization?
thank you for asking this question. It's a very good question. And my answer will be long, so please have patience. Uh, okay, so recruitment, I'll tell you, as an industry, has been evolving. Like few years back, there were not many tools and sources, or maybe AI was not there, and there was not so much of technology was there. So uh, we had to kind of manage between whatever resources that we have, like calling directly people on landline, finding numbers and all that, and doing the mapping. So it used to be very difficult. Now, because of LinkedIn and Naukri software database, and there are various AI tools also, like Lucia and other Snow, and a lot of automation tools. These are complementary factors. Of course, it helps in recruitment industry in terms of finding people. So there's a huge database, and everybody has access to. So there are a lot of companies like us. So everybody has access to these expensive tools. LinkedIn is expensive, Naukri is expensive, and there are various AI tools that are expensive. So most of the companies, from corporate side or from the consulting side, everyone is using these tools in terms of database. So everybody has same talent pool. The difference becomes like how you use that database. That depends on your skill set and experience. If you have that experience into the industry and into recruitment and HR, you know how to screen the data. So and that is the differentiation comes in. And this helps in finding people. You have a huge database. Then next stage becomes mapping people, assessing them, validating them according to the client's need and requirements. And then then the further stage of presenting those profiles to the client, and then